So let's see today's lovely meatloaf recipe. Now I've taken about half a tablespoon of oil and I'm going to fry 250 grams of bacon. Now you don't really need to add a lot of oil because the bacon itself, oozes out some oil. And we have to cook this till it is nice and crispy. Now you can either use chicken bacon or you can use pork bacon, but just fry it till it's very nice and crispy like this. And once it is nice and crispy, just take it and set it aside to cool. Now once the bacon is cooled, you're going to chop it up into really fine bits or fine pieces like this. So use a nice sharp knife. And once you chopped up the bacon, just set it aside. Now in a pan again, I'm going to add about half a tablespoon of oil. Once our oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add one medium-sized onion, which I've chopped fine. And I'm going to fry this onion really well. Now fry the onion till it turns translucent. That takes about a whole minute, but fry it really well. You could use red onion, you could even go with white onion. Now once that is done, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of 4 large cloves of garlic chopped really fine. It's very important to chop the garlic really fine and fry the garlic well too. So we want to fry the garlic till all the rawness of the garlic goes away. For about another minute, we're going to fry the garlic and the onions really well. And once that is done, we're just going to set it aside. So this meatloaf takes me back to my childhood days when my mom used to make these lovely meatloaf sandwiches. So once your meatloaf is ready, you just take some lovely bread and cut off the sides and then apply a little bit of butter and then slice this meatloaf and add that and it tastes really amazing. So now I've taken about 500 grams of mince, and to the mince I'm going to add this chopped up bacon. I'm also going to add the fried garlic as well as the fried garlic and onion mixture. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce or Worcester sauce. It's easily available in stores or even online. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, some salt to taste, 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, one egg which I've just beaten up and then added. So beat the egg really well and then add it to the mixture. And now we're going to mix all of these ingredients really well. Now this would be a good time to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Mix everything well. You can use a spoon, but later on I found that mixing it with the hands is really better because everything really gets evenly mixed up. So get your hands in there and mix everything really well. So ensure that everything is really well mixed. All the ingredients come together really well. So take your time with mixing it. Now for the mince, you can use any mince. You can use beef, you can use mutton, you can use chicken. The choice is yours. I go for leaner meats, so I'm using chicken. And now I'm just, buttered up a cake tin, a bread loaf tin, and I'm just going to add this entire mixture. Don't forget to grease it with some butter. And then I'm just going to add this entire mixture and just dab it down. You can wet your hands a bit and just dab it down and press the entire mixture tightly into the cake tin or the loaf tin. So this is an ideal weekend recipe. You can just make it, and when anyone in your family or you're hungry, just make sandwiches. And now you see that it's completely packed, and now I'm just going to bake it for 45 minutes in my preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Now let the meatloaf completely cool before you demold it. And once it is completely cool, just run a sharp knife through the edges and then just demold it. It looks amazing, and I can't wait to dig in. And then I'm just going to cut up thin slices, and I'm going to take some bread and I'm going to butter the bread and just add these slices and enjoy. So you can make these lovely meatloaf sandwiches, or you can just have the meatloaf as a side dish with any meal.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.